If you have been looking for a website where you can trade different currencies, including cryptocurrency, stock, and commodities, I will advise to pay close attention to this particular video, as I'm going to be introducing this binary option trading platform to you, where I personally trade different currencies and also earn on this particular platform, and I'm going to be sharing my personal experience with you. But before we continue, you need to understand that this video is for educational and informational purpose only, and I'm not advising you to make any financial decisions based on this video. Okay, I'm only sharing my personal experience right here. Okay, and as a new user, immediately you register on this particular platform, you are going to get $10,000 as a simulation fund on this particular platform in your Domo account. This $10,000 is what you can use to actually practice trading on this particular platform. But before we get started, let me share with you how you'll be able to register on this particular platform before I continue to introduce this particular platform to you right away. By clicking at the first link in the video description, it will take you to this particular registration page, and the name of this particular platform is known as Capital 850. Once you click at the first link in the video description, it will take you to this particular section right there. All you need to do is to click on register. Once you click on register, you need to fill in your detail right here and click on register. And immediately after registering on this particular platform, it will take you to this particular section right here, and you'll be able to see that for you to be able to fund your account on this particular platform, this is my real account, and I currently have $100 right here. For you to be able to fund your real account after practicing how to trade on this particular platform, all you need to do is click on this deposit section right now. Once you click on this deposit section right now, you'll be able to fund your account on this particular platform using any of this method right here. You can use Visa or MasterCard to fund your account. You can use TRS to fund your account, which is crypto. You can use USD and any other cryptocurrency to fund your account on this particular platform. But before you go on to fund your account on this particular platform, let's go on right now and actually understand how this particular platform actually works. But before you go on to fund this particular platform, to fund your account on this website, make sure you practice how to trade on this particular platform using this simulation fund, which is this free fund right there. Click on this particular section right now, click on it, and you will see demo account. Click on demo account. Let's select demo account. Just immediately after selecting demo account, we join to allow it to load, and you'll be able to see that we currently have demo account. You can see demo account $10,000. This particular $10,000 is what we are going to be using to actually practice trading on this particular platform. And when you master trading on this particular platform and you have noticed that it is what you can actually gain from, that is when you can actually go on to use your real account to actually start trading to be able to make profit. Because the major reason why most of us actually do any business is for us to be able to make profit, and that is how this binary option trading actually come in. Okay, if you come right here, scroll down right now and click on this Ethereum versus USD. Click on this section right now. Any currency that is showing here, just click on it. Once you click on this particular section right now, there are different currencies, there are different stocks which you can trade right here. If you click on these currencies right here, you'll be able to see different currencies. You can even search for your own local currency right there. You'll be able to see NGN, which is Nigerian Naira versus USD. You can trade any currencies right, and you can see that Nigerian Naira versus USD is actually growing up right now by about 0.01% right here. And you can see this THB versus USD is also going up right now. You can see depend on the currency which you want to trade right now. Okay, if you go back up right now and click on this currency, crypto, if you come right there, you'll be able to see that you can trade BTC versus USD, you can trade Tron versus USD, you can trade Ethereum versus USD on this website right now. It just depends on the one which you actually prefer. If you want to trade on commodities, click on commodities. You'll be able to see trade XAG versus USD also on this website. You don't want to go on right now and select the one which you actually want. But if you want to trade stock, click on stock right now. Once you click on stock, you can trade on Tesla, you can trade on Microsoft or Alphabet. You can see depending on the current on the stock or commodities or crypto which you actually prefer to actually trade on right now. Okay, let me go on right now and trade let me trade Ethereum versus USD right here. Okay, or let's go for BTC versus USD. Let's choose BTC versus USD. If you are trading BTC versus USD on this website right now, it will show right here. You can see this is the currency which I want to trade on right now, and this time is the time which you actually want the trade to actually go for. You want to say that let's say if you choose, let me click on it right now. If you choose that you want, okay, if you choose 30 minutes right now, which means which means what you mean is that in 30 minutes that this particular trade will either go up or down. If you choose down and you put this time in 30 minutes, which means that this particular candlestick, this particular currency, which is BTC, will go down in the next 30 minutes. But if you choose up, which means BTC will go up in the next 30 minutes. That is what this down and up mean. And this time is the time which this particular currency or commodity or stock will actually go up or down. But this particular section right now is the amount which you are actually putting. You can see. Let's go right now. Okay, let me select the time. Let me select the amount which I want to use. I want to use 2 USD to trade right now. I'm going to click on up. I'm clicking on up right now, which means I'm saying that in the next 30 minutes that BTC is going to go up. You can see, and we just need to actually wait for the next 30 minutes. Let's know maybe if we are going to make profit if BTC is able to go up or if it will go down. If it go down, that means we are going to lose our fund. But if it goes up, which means we are going to gain. Okay, that is how this particular trade actually works. And you need to actually understand that this video is for educational purpose only. I'm only sharing how this particular platform actually works. Okay, and if you come down right now and click on this particular section right now, click on this question mark right now. Once you click on this question mark right now, you'll be able, if you have any question, you didn't find an answer to your question, click right. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see this frequent asked question right here. Everything you need to know about this particular platform has been answered right away on this particular section right now. You just want to go on right now and start reading it one after another. Make sure you read all these questions to be able to understand how to make effective use of this particular platform. If you want to actually understand how to trade on this particular platform, the first step is understanding how to trade. The next step is click on this question mark section right now to read their frequent asked question, so that you'll be able to know the frequent asked question or mistake that others have been making on this particular platform right now, and the things you need to actually do so that you'll be able to actually make gain when trading on this particular platform. Okay, and if you should go up right now, let's go up right now, and if you come to this particular section right now, if you click on this section right now, this section is for you to be able to set up your profile section, your profile on this particular platform, and be able to verify your account on this particular platform, because you will need to verify your email so that you'll be able to withdraw your earning anytime that you actually make any profit on this website right now. And if you check right here, you will notice that the trade which I'm actually, or what I'm actually using to actually practice this trading or to actually trade right now, is actually a simulation fund. Okay, it is a simulation fund which I'm actually using to trade. I'm using simulation fund to trade right here. Okay, and because I'm using simulation fund to trade, I will not be worried about losing my fund or about gaining. You can see, but I will actually be practicing some strategies that can actually help me to actually win more. You can see that is the benefit of using simulation fund. But if I switch to my real account right now, let me switch. If you check right now, you will see that I have switched to my real account right now. You can see my real account that I currently have $100 right here, and this $100, which means if I start trading on this particular platform and I use this I use part of this $100 to trade. If I lose, I'm going to lose the money, but if I gain, I'm going to make profit, and the profit is withdrawable from this particular platform. But any profit you make using demo account will not be withdrawable from this particular website. If you have any question about this particular binary option trading known as Capital 850, let me know in the comment section of this video. Have you been trading on this particular website? After trading, are you able to withdraw your earning? Have you been hearing about Capital 850 but don't know how it works? Let me know if you have any other question about Capital 850 in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.